story when I'm with her. There's no hurry, holding on to every word she says. I'd do anything just to see her smile. Sip rosé, watch Grace for a while. Try some things I never thought I would. But that's just what you do when you're in love. When you're in love, forever never feels too long. Every melody sounds like a song. Your heart is so light, feels like you could fly above. When you're in love, I never knew what a diamond cost, but it's the greatest thing I bought. Your priceless heart was the easiest I do. So when we laugh or when we cry, know that I'll be by your side. Come with me, I'll always choose you. 'Cause that's just what you do when you're in love. When you're in love, forever is just getting started. And you still haven't seen the best part yet. Who knows what's ahead, but we're hand in hand, that's enough. When you're in love, when you're in love, my favorite memories are starring you. You're more than I deserve, it's true. We're stronger now after all that we've been through. A life without you isn't lived. I wouldn't trade my greatest gift. No fairy tale could ever dream this up. Yeah, that's just what you get when you're in love. Yeah, when you're in love, forever flies by like the wind. And you do it all over again. You're still my best friend. For these years I thank heaven above. We're still in love. So thank God above when you're in love.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you.
Music bed.
Heading out on our own with our hope in the clouds. And we're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming, we'll keep running. Nothing in our way, and we got no reason to wait. Let the journey take you where it wants to. We'll continue to find our way through anything. Every step, writing stories that seek to be read, taking hold of the moment as we discover every color filled with wonder. Now we finally see we got everything we need. Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go, with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day, it's ours to take, and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins. Here we go. Heading out on our own with our hope in the clouds. We're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming now.
Music bed.
Here we go.